anong technique mo, paano mo mahahabol yung mga kagaya kahapon, absent ka na naman. So, bababa yung grade mo sa PE. Paano mo mahahabol yun? Anong technique? Anong ma-advise mo sa ibang tao?
My advice would be to talk to the teachers and say a lot of the students don't even go up to the teachers if their grade is low. And
Anong talk? Just talk. Say hi. Ano?
talking to the teacher about your grades and what you can do to improve.
It's like, what? It's like, hey, Mr. Teacher, I wanna talk to you about my grades. And the teacher would say, what about it?
Is there anything that I can do to bump them up?
So basically, ask question. Ask. So ikaw, for example, magbigay ka ng isang specific example, how did you do it before? Ano yung grade mo, tapos ano yung sino yung teacher mo, ano yung sinabi, paano mo sinabi, at anong ginawa?
So there's this one time I got a B minus in this Island class art, and I just went up to her and it turned out to be a mistake. So I went up to her one day. Hey Miss Isla, I noticed that my grade dropped in your class, and it's now a B minus. Can you tell me what happened with that? I looked on Aries and I turned in both of the assignments marked as missing. And then I showed her the assignments and she just fixed it immediately.
May missing lang. Hindi, yung talagang mababa yung grade mo dahil absent ka. How did you recover? Specific example sa, di ba dati PE mo ilan?
B.
Tapos how did you put it back to A? Did you ask pa o hindi na?
I need that because it's PE. The only way to bump it up is to do extra credit on Wednesdays.
So pag extra credit Wednesday, anong ginagawa nyo lang?
Extra credit Wednesday?
O sa science, paano mo na-bump up yung grade mo?
I didn't have to.
Kahit absent?
Yeah, I just had to make up the work and that's it. It didn't go down.
So isang beses ka lang nag-talk with the teacher of your life. Sa English, baka C- ka na.
English, no.
Ilan ka sa English?
92%.
Ba't 92 lang? Ba't hindi 100? Ano ba yan? Anong...
Kasi we had a sub and then they told us the wrong instructions. It doesn't seem like we're gonna fix it anytime soon, so like I have a chance to, like the whole class.
Kaysa ba?
Math, mga A plus.
Ano na nga ba? Math na geometry na kayo, di ba?
Oh, we're past that. Well, no, we're not. We're doing Pythagorean theorem.
That's hard.
It's like you taught me that some of that already.
Na-advance ka. Kaya lang, naboboard ka naman pag tuturuan ka tayo. You rather listen to your professor. Your professor. Ano pangalan na math teacher?
Mr. Jewel.
Jewel?
Jewel.
Jewel.
J-U-E-L. No, J-U-E. Yeah, J-U-E-L.
Anong style ng teaching niya?
He's really nice.
Ano yung style? How does he approach? Sasabihin niya muna yung theorem,
Yeah.
yung title. Nagbibigay din siya ng mga history. No, ano. Teacher kami, nagbibigay niya yung mga history niya. Tapos nagkukwento ng konti tungkol kay Pythagoras.
Well, actually, I don't know because I wasn't there.
Absent ka na naman. Ba't ka absent?
Because neither of you were home.
Ay, kasi simulan nyo lang ng
Mhm.
Pythagoras.
Tama. Started yesterday.
Hanggang saan ang tinuro niya? Saan siya nag-start? Tsaka,
I don't know where he started, but I know where he stopped.
where did he stop?
He stopped with extended angles.
Extended angles. Ay, yung lagpas na magbalik na rin. Sumaturuan kita ng advance. Ginamit nyo na ba yung pi?
Opo.
Saan? Sa circle?
Obviously.
Eh, sa half circle?
Semicircle, yeah.
Ginamit nyo na.
I think so. I think I could calculate it. I just don't want to think about that. I don't think I am going to think about that right now.
Hindi pa kayo gumagamit ng calculator eh, no?
No, we haven't.
Grabe. Ginawa nyo na yung mga ano, yung sin theta, mga ganun. Sin theta,
What's
cosine theta.
cosine? I don't
Hindi pa
know.
namin. Sa trigonometry yun.
Oh, I feel. And we're getting close. Kasi, di ba, Pythagorean theorem is...
Hindi.
No, like, no,
Hindi
he
niyo pa-
mentioned it. He mentioned it.
Magsasign na kayo. Kasi nagka-calculator na kayo.
He mentioned it already because he said, oh no, that was you.
Ako yun.
You said
Hindi pa siguro.
no, you said that because you said once you know trigonometry, you can find out blah blah blah.
Iniwan ba ni ate yung ano niya, scientific calculator niya?
I don't know, but she did leave our calculator, but it broke.
Mura na lang naman ang sa'yo.
So that's weird.
Dapat mura na lang yun. Tapos mahal pa rin hanggang ngayon. Meron ng ano ngayon, yung mga graphing calculator. Ano yung formula ng slope?
Rise over run, you mean? Parang
Importante yan eh. Rise over run.
y equals something x plus something. And then you can simplify it. Once you simplify it, it can either become a fraction or y equals something x plus something. In fraction form, it would be
Mathematics.
y equals
Mathematics. Paano mo nalaman yung answer? Meron akong mathematics. Magic, alam na yung answer. Na magic.
magic. Magic ba yun?
Saan mo nga yung salamin mo? Nakikita mo ba rin yung phone mo?
Yes. I look like my friend's dad.
You look like ano?